In this video, I'm going to show you how to make your text slow motion in Canva on your videos. So once you're on your video in Canva, guys, you can easily make your text slow motion by clicking on the text and drag it out. Now you can drag it so that it's longer. Now, I also want to mention to you, in case your video is also, let's say, moving fast and you would like to make the text longer, you click on the video, then look at the top and you will find speed. Click on that and also make the video, let's say, slower. The more you make the video slower, is you can always go ahead and change the text as well to make it longer. So you can just click on that to make it longer, and you do the same for other texts in your videos as well. And if you have multiple texts, I recommend that you click on those different texts to ensure that they're both long enough, right? So that's how you can do it. And that's pretty much it, guys. So you can adjust it like that, and that's how you can make it longer. So that's it, guys. Very easy and very simple.